Hey there, thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. If you guys enjoyed the content you're about to watch today, please feel free to like, subscribe, drop me a follow, do whatever you guys need to do. I appreciate every single one of you. And if you want to catch me on any other platforms, all the links to everything is in the bio down below. Thank you again for stopping by. Enjoy the video. All right, so this is the box here. We got Skog-Reboot. So it is a prototype. So here is the PCB. This is the bottom of it. There we go. If you guys want to learn more about the Skog as well, there's some commands you guys can type in chat and it will tell you more about the Skog. Pretty nice PCB. So this is per key RGB. Is that USB-C? This is a USB-C. If you guys cannot see, this is a USB-C over here. Pretty interesting PCB. So this is gaskets. What else is in here? I don't know. Let's open. I guess let's take the knife out again. What colorway Skog? Black, I believe. I want to say black. I think black. But we will find out here in a hot second. I hope someone will get a baby blue proto. That'd be interesting. It should be black, yeah. What else we got in here? We have, I think this is the Bluetooth module. I have to take a look at the instruction. There's instructions too I have to take a look at. Boom, let's move this off to the side. Ooh, okay, I didn't realize it would be right over here. All right, so here it is. Here it is. All right, let's take a look at the Skog-Reboot. Knife Geeks, it's from Carved. Ooh. Ooh. What a nice looking board. My heart skipped a beat when you cut through the packaging. Interesting. So there's always something so satisfying about percents boards. They're very unique. The nipple, I know, dude. Ooh. Ooh. I mean, it has like a little indicator, which is kind of nice. I don't know if you guys can see that on stream. Let's see a side profile. Interesting. Okay. And let's see that bottom. Now these you can adjust. These aren't sliders. These are very deceiving. I was so confused the first time. I thought these slid up and down. They don't. This is a really cool bottom. This is super dope. These actually screw off. You adjust them. So it does give you some level of adjustability. But it's not a slide. I actually thought this was a slider too. Dude, if they implement it, if they had the same sliding thing as like my headphones do, because this is like a pressure thing, dude, that would be dope, dude. That would be hella sick. But okay. Let's see the back. Percent over here. Very interesting bottom. Yeah, I actually kind of like this ribbed style bottom. I don't know what to call this. It does have like a, again, we'll take a look at a side view. So you can see the texturing, the little things here. Maybe that's why I think so, Faustus. It feels pretty premium. I don't associate weight with premium. I never have. But it's not very heavy. But it does feel pretty good. So with that being said, let's actually open some of this up. Let's actually put the silicone feet on the bottom, because I have a nasty habit of just forgetting the entire stream. So let's just do it now. All right. So actually, I don't know if you guys noticed, but you can see an outline on the percent logo here. Now this has RGB. I'm super pumped about that. Okay, let us open this up. Flip this way. Do I have to? Okay, there we go. So there's the knob. Now, here's the thing. I don't know if this will come pre-installed on the boards. I should have asked this question because I wasn't thinking. I didn't know this would be on already. I thought maybe I would have to build it because this is the first time I'm unboxing it too. But I don't know if this will come pre-installed on the boards. I mean, if not, you guys have seen how to do this. If you guys need help with the rotary encoder, it's pretty self-explanatory. You pop it in. There's 6 pins you need to, no, 5 pins you need to solder down. But I can't imagine it not being, especially if they're selling like a hot swap version. There's the inside of the plate here. There is the bottom. Doesn't know if it's the focus. There we go. I'm gonna put this behind me just because we don't need that right now. We're gonna start unscrewing this end. All right. And there we go. Right, we're just gonna dump these over here on the plate. Go. So these are longer screws in the back, so we're gonna keep them there. Anode quality looks good. I mean, I don't really notice any glaring flaws. I don't know why it's not. I mean, it's tall. It's no mass. Pretty nice. Pretty cool frame here at the top. And then we have our plate. Oh, and another top piece. So there's like 3 pieces here. And it looks like, oh, did these come off? Looks like some of these did. These are the, I don't know if this is adhesive. Remember, this is a prototype too. Oh no, these just sit inside the groove over here. Okay, I see how this works. These get pressed inside a groove. This is where the gaskets would sit. But cool, so we got these disassembled. I'm gonna actually go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead now and lube some stabilizers. Ooh, this is interesting. So it kind of goes up over here too. There's like ridges, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's ridges here, and there's this ridge for the, I don't know if that's like meant for alignment. If so, that's such an interesting idea. Banana split time.
Oh, thank you, dude.
kind of low-key fire. That's kind of low-key fire with the white backspace. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. Okay. So here we go. Okay, here we go. This is the Skog-Reboot. The Skog-Reboot. Ignore imperfections and fingerprints that I have caused with my fingers. Play with the nipple. There's the bottom one more time. Can you twist the nipple? I mean, it's pretty nice. I think it's a smart idea to have kept it kind of like smaller. Okay. I'm unplugging it. I quite like it. Let me try a GMK spacebar. I'm curious. Are we better now? Sorry, the left shift wasn't pressed down all the way. I like the GMK spacebar on this better. The PBT one's not the nicest. This is the aluminum. I think, honestly, let me turn the filters back on 1 second, because there's probably a lot of weird noise happening. I don't think it's that hollow. I don't think it's really... It has a slight bit of hollowness. Ever so slightly. I have to really be paying attention for that, though. I really actually do like the way this sounds, though. Which one do I prefer? I think they're both different keyboards. I think in terms of which ones do I like functionality-wise, I think this is a really good choice. I think the knob's cool. I think this has like a lot of cool RGB. I like the fact that this one here has some, you know, Bluetooth compatibility and stuff like that. I don't know, I quite like this, but I think they're very different keyboards, in my opinion. This versus the U80, again, very different keyboards. I think a big thing that comes down to it too is what aesthetic do you like? You know, I think the U80 has an aesthetic that I prefer. But what mounting does this have? It's a gasket mount. I really like this. I might put a GMK set on this. I don't know how I feel about the PBT spacebar. And generally, PBT spacebars aren't quite as nice as an ABS plast or ABS spacebar. I quite like ABS spacebars. So pretty. Yeah, I actually think this is a winner, to be honest. I think this is, in terms of like criticisms or flaws, and you know what? I have to admit this was a fun build. I think the gaskets that didn't have adhesive was kind of awkward. I can see some people possibly dropping those. Maybe I don't know if that's gonna get fixed. In terms of feet upright, I don't know if there's really a problem with these feet here, to be honest with you. Yeah, I don't know if this would cause a problem for me. You can see they're a little bit loose, but I don't know if this would cause a problem because you're really not moving this around like that. The knob's cool. The knob's cool for sure. I appreciate the knob. VIA support, always cool. Aluminum plate here, pretty cool. Yeah, like anode quality was good. I think these were anodized. I thought there was mention of Cerakoting. I don't think there's a Cerakote version. RGB is cool, you know. How was the feedback? I think you guys said it was a bit scratchy, but I mean, I don't think the knob's too small. It's a little awkward to kind of get your fingers on. I think if the knob had the not serrated. What's the jagged edges or whatever, you know, the faceted edges or whatever. If it had some extra grip texture to it, the knurls. Wait, my microphone's in focus. Knurls. If it had knurls, that would be good. I think that would help with a little bit of grip on this. But I mean, pretty cool board. Fun build. I think it sounds pretty good too. I don't even know if I want to go in and put foam on this. I think it's pretty cool. Offers some pretty neat features. Interesting design. You know, got that cool bottom RG. I think that's pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie. I think that's pretty cool. I like that.